session, we will try to understand the further operations which we can perform on MongoDB. So there are few data types which are available in Mongo database. So the first one is string. So most probably this is UTF-8 format. There is one more, that is integer. Either it can be 32-bit or 64-bit. There is one more data type. This is a boolean. So this indicates the flag values which will return true or false. There is one more, that is double. Min-max keys are used with BSON elements, lowest and highest BSON elements. Those are binary JSON. Okay, so binary JavaScript object notation. There is one more, that is arrays. One more is timestamp, that is to identify when document has been modified, added or created. There is one more, that is object. This is used for embedded documents where multiple documents are having some relevance with each other. There is one more, that is null, to store a value where nothing exists. That means if there is some field where no value is there to enter, so that will remain null. There is one more, that is symbol and date. It will identify the system date. Object ID will try to identify this is used to store the documents ID. As all of you are familiar, object ID is the most important entity in Mongo database because every document will get a new ID. There is one more, that is binary data. So this is used for storing the binary data. And there is a code and regular expression. These are specifically for JavaScript notations. Let us come to the next operation in which we can insert the document inside a collection. So document is like a tuple and this is the syntax. Collection is like a table. So db.collection name.insert and there is a document. So here you can find there is one document which is like a post on social media. So what is our collection name? That is my collection, and we are going to execute the insert query, and there are some fields which are available over here. The first one is title, second one is description, third one is who is posting this, fourth one is URL, fifth one is tags to that post, and the sixth one is number of likes. So we can create this particular collection. The title is MongoDB overview, description is MongoDB is not NoSQL, and this has been created by user API site. This is the URL. These are the tags which are there on this post and how many people liked it. So let us run this particular command to insert the document. First of all, we need to understand in which particular document database we are. We are there inside test, and if we are running collections, we are having these many collections, and we are inserting the document inside mycol, which is already available. Even if there is no collection, whatever collection we are going to mention in the command, if that collection is not available, in that case it will create a new collection. So here you can find it has been inserted. This particular right result is true. This has been inserted. Now we'll do what? We will insert one more document. So we will change the title. Suppose MongoDB overview _1. We will change the description also. Everywhere we'll try to understand by adding something different. So here we will write number of likes will be 50. So in every document we will try to change few fields. So this is also inserted. Again change some values. So here I will change likes to 25. I will keep tags as it is, URL as it is, user as it is, but I will just change the descriptions and title and number of likes. So here we will add _2. This is also inserted. So here we will make it 500, and we will try to make this as number 3. So this is also inserted. There is one more we will try to insert. Suppose this is 300, number of likes are 300, and this is the fourth field or the fourth entry inside our document. So these are the 4 entries which we have inserted by making some moderate change. Now let us try to understand. This is the insert document operation. Let us try to understand how we can query on the same. So this is similar to select star from table name query in the relational database. So try to understand what is the syntax. The syntax is db.collection name.find. So what is our collection name right now? Right now our collection name is mycall. So on this collection we will try to run the command db.mycall.find.pretty. So here db.mycollection.find.pretty. So pretty is a command, or it is a function which will organize everything which has been inserted in a proper format. So if you are running this command, you will find there are 4 documents which are inserted in a collection. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. And we already had the one at the beginning, that is the original one. So there are total 5 entries inside this particular collection. So this is a pretty method which is useful to organize the content. Now we will try to do what, on the entries which we have made, we will try to filter those entries, because if you are observing, there everywhere there are some different number of likes. So somewhere there are likes greater than 100, or somewhere there are likes less than 100. Suppose we want to identify the posts whose likes are less than 100. So we will copy this command from here, db.mycollection.find and number of likes. So just paste this command and we'll do what, we will try to paste this particular command inside a terminal. And we will change this number from less than 50 to less than 100. So this is our command which we have executed, and you will find those posts whose likes are less than 100. So there are 2 posts, one with likes 50 and one is likes 25. So these only 2 fields are identified. So if you want to identify the posts in which likes count is greater than 50 or greater than 100, then that also we can do. So db.mycollection.find, and the field that is likes, this field, its count is dollar greater than 50. So from 50 we will change it to 100, and let us see. So this is our result. There are 2 fields, one is with likes 50 300, and the second one is with likes 500. So these 2 values are shortlisted. So these are the clauses, select star from where. These are similar to the Mongo database where clause. So you can find here there is lt, that is less than, lte less than equal to, gt is greater than, gt is greater than equal to, and ne is not equal to. So these are the values which we can execute in terms of where clauses in MongoDB. Thank you.